Hello everyone, welcome to Pixel Made. My name is Esan Kabir and today I'll be showing you how to use clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. So very first obviously you have to take an artboard. You can do it at any resolution you want. I'm doing 1000 by 1000 pixels. So I'm gonna null the stroke. So the very first and powerful use of clipping mask that we can do is to remove background completely from Adobe Illustrator. So let's say that in this picture you need this bowl with this pasta, right? So what you're gonna do, as this bowl is a circle, you don't need to use any pen tool, all right? Coming to the center, hold Alt and Shift and drag your mouse in any direction you want. It will give you a perfect circle. All right. So now align the circle or align the shape according to your need. Choose your image, choose the shape, hit right button on your mouse. You will see an option called Make Clipping Mask right after group. Click that and boom, you have your PNG pasta all ready. All right. I'll show you how it looks on top of a background. So giving it color, you have to bring it front, shift control plus third bracket, and you have it. All right. As you can see, it doesn't have any backgrounds. So another thing that we can do with clipping mask is now that was easy, right? Because it was a circular bowl and I just made a circle with ellipse tool. Now what if our shape is complex like this? Let's say we just need this leaf area, nothing else. All right. By the way, this picture I have downloaded from Freepik. The credit will be given in the description below. So now you will choose pen tool. After choosing pen tool, you will just draw by the edges of the image. All right. Zoom in as much as you want, but try to make it perfect, because if you don't, you will have the edges mixed up with the background and you won't have a perfect PNG of the leaf. Take your time, no rushing. Take as much time as you need, but you have to make it perfect, right? Because the work you're doing is for someone else, and he or she who is paying you is expecting you to deliver the best task and to get the best value for his or her money. You have to do that. So take your time, do it slowly. So the thing is that I'm just showing you, so I won't be completing this. So let's say, for example, this is what we need. All right, we don't need the full leaf. So I'm gonna keep it like here, there, and there. All right, give it a color. Any color will work as long as it's a solid color, it's not gradient. Choose the image, choose the shape you just created, right click on your mouse button and choose Make Clipping Mask, and boom, see, you have it. So it's very easy to choose any portion of the image with clipping mask. Just you need to know how to use pen tool, how to use different shapes. Like another example I'll give you, that if we need to cut out this tomato, right? If we needed to cut out this tomato, I wouldn't be using pen tool. I just simply will be using ellipse tool, because I can make a circle, then I can use the curvature tool to fix the edges. I can use the direct selection tool to do that too. All right. Another very important thing that I use clipping mask very much is that I'll show you an example. All right, so I'll open an artwork that I have created. So I don't know whether you can see it. I'm now browsing through my my file explorer to find the file that I want to see. I want you to see. All right, so I am opening it right now. So this was one of my very first illustration that I did. All right, now see, when I use effects on this tree, this area came outside of the picture, but I can choose it because it's the shape is this one. It's the shape, but it's it came this area. It came this side just because of the effect that I have used on it. So when I will be exporting this image, I will have a white box surrounding it so that it can cover this, which I don't want, right? So what I can do is just I will make a rectangle shape on top of it. I'll make sure nothing is locked. I'll select everything, right button on my mouse, make clipping mask, and see, it's gone. So this is where clipping mask comes very handy. All right, and also when you are making something for print media, let's say a business card, a poster card, or anything, always and always do a clipping mask on top of your design, whether it has edges or not, because it makes sure that the print, when it's going to print, it doesn't mess us up with your design. All right, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If I made any mistakes, don't take it seriously, because it was basically my first video on YouTube on this channel. I'll try to be more professional with time, and if this video helped you, please do like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. Thank you very much for staying with Pixelmate. Have a good day.